Okay. I need to drink something before I record something else. I don't know when this is going up. I've tried other gamer subs in the past that I still haven't gotten up, like Ambrosia and Blo'hole Blast, and there's probably another two I have to try that my brother had bought. He bought Anime Thighs and Emotional Damage, but this is one of the ones I pre-ordered. I pre-ordered when it came out, but my problem is I think I would have gotten it sooner if I bought it by itself. I bought a mouse pad that was on pre-order 10 to 14 weeks. So this took 10 to 14 weeks to come with it, which I keep forgetting that's how they do it. This is Cursed Energy from Jujutsu Kaisen. I have not seen the anime. I don't know what the flavor is. We're just going to try it and see what it is. I already have my water right here, so we're going to try it. I'm going to put this up. If you see me grab a t-shirt or something while I'm mixing this, is this partially has a leak some of the times when I close it. I don't want it leaking everywhere. It, like, by partially, I mean, sometimes it leaks, sometimes it doesn't. So, I need to do about 3 scoops of this, because that's how much it takes for this container I have. It's about 4 scoops, but if I do 4, it's too much. It's way too much for the container. You can see it's already turning blue, but the powder was blue. The one I definitely need to get a refill on is titty milk. Think so about 2.5, because there is some particles still floating around at the bottom, which means not all of it got shaken up, or I had too much water. Whatever is the case, it's like an aqua blue. I definitely put too much in. I'm still trying to find the exact right amount. Certain ones take 3, certain ones take 2.5. I don't know with this one because I haven't tried it before. Oh, that has like almost tropical smell at first, but I don't think it is. Oh, what is that? That smells very familiar. We'll taste it and then we'll look up the flavor. I don't know if I can guess that, because it smells and tastes like something I've had in the past, and that's the problem. It's not blowhole burst type. I also almost forgot I had this. I almost forgot I had this until I was looking at flavors, and it's like, I think I haven't done this yet. And no, I haven't. I knew for a fact because when I opened it, it was still fully sealed. Okay, let's see. It's a sweet raspberry aroma. Fruity and tart flavors. With a sweet raspberry aroma, each sip unveils a captivating blend of fruity and tart flavors. That might be what it is. I think it's just multiple flavors in this, and that's why I just can't figure out what the hell it is. Because it definitely tastes like more than just one raspberry. I would consider probably raspberry, blueberry, and probably blackberry all in the same one. Yeah, it's definitely too much flavoring. Otherwise, that would have fully mixed it up with a little bit of drink. It says tart, like a tart kick, but I think I'll consider like raspberry and blackberries for me have like a tart like tanginess to it. At least when you have blackberries or raspberries growing, they have like a tartness to it. And I think that's what they're trying to like take. And it's not bad. Like it's no the aftertaste is just the fruity blend. So it's not too bad. The only problem with this is I really can't tell. It for me it tastes almost like a tropical drink. Like I actually don't know other tropical drinks other than pina colada and strawberry daiquiris. Those are the only two tropical drinks I drink. Let me see tropical drink. I'm thinking of one. I don't know what it's called though. It's a blue drink. A blue Hawaiian. But yeah, that's almost what it tastes like. I had a blue Hawaiian down when I was in Florida last year. And that's pretty close to what I would think. Actually, let me look. I think it was blue Hawaiian. It has a color. It's just the fruitiness is so weird with the flavors, but it's really good. Considering a lot of these flavors I've been having, most of them have been good, except for like the cherry limeade and some other ones. This has been that's not bad. That, if anything, we'll jump into the review of this. I'll probably be drinking that during when I do chapter reviews of One Piece. And that will come out before this. Because I want to get the other gamer subs out first. I'll give this a 8.5 out of 10. It's good. It's not like great or amazing like the other flavors I've tried in the past few, but it's still good. I definitely probably would consider this over the pina colada. Because the pina colada has too much tart to it, I would consider. Oh. Yeah, it's very weird. Apparently, there's also a new flavor coming soon called Soda Pressed. Soda Pressed Despair. I wonder if this is going to be one of the limited edition ones. Soda poppin', that makes sense. There's also another flavor that just recently came out too. So the other flavors that I'll eventually buy is probably Soda Pressed Despair. If I go to the other flavors, if you give me a second, there is a JFJ Brand Snake Oil Grandpa Ashes Keiho's Bloody Orange. That Keiho's Bloody Orange is the mat I have, the mousepad mat. This Sigma Brain. There's a bunch of new ones. Arctic Cooler. There's a bunch of new flavors, and more than likely I will buy more in the future because I like trying them out and then figuring out where to rank them, but also where to put stuff. But also, I think if I pick one, I'll actually look at what the flavor is supposed to be when I'm picking them. I just want to quickly check if there's any more big cups. I don't think there are. Huh. Let me quickly check something. Oh yeah, so the cup is the same, it's just looking bigger. I was looking at different cups. Yeah, so I definitely would give this a 8.5, somewhere around there. 8 to 8.5 out of 10. Like I said, I think the other one's definitely better. At least out of the ones I've tried. I think my favorite still, technically it would have came out before this. I think Ambrosia is probably my favorite. My all-time favorite. I think right behind it is Titty Milk. And then right behind that would probably be either Blowhole Burst or Strawberry Daiquiri. Other than that, I think this is where we'll end the video, at least put the outro. Because I have one more thing to record and something that needs to come out tonight. So I absolutely cannot... like mess around and have this be too long. So if you guys like video, if you guys haven't subscribed to the channel, I recommend subscribing to the channel to keep up with all the content. Otherwise, this has been Mr. Crazy again, signing off. Have a good morning, have a good afternoon, have a good night. Wherever you are, just have a good day. Hopefully I'll see you guys next video, and peace.